What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a folder in Google Drive. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. Now, as you can see on my screen, I'm in Google Drive, guys, and you can click on your home or you can go to my drive. It doesn't matter which part you are. You can easily go ahead and create a folder there. So let's say I want to create it directly from home. All I have to do is just simply click the plus on the upper left hand side that says new, and I can create a folder from here. As you can see, it says new folder. I can click that and I can call this folder test, right? So let's call this one test and just go ahead and click on create. And as you can see, I now created that test folder and I can open this folder, right? So I can also do that from my drive. So if I click on my drive, you can see it gives me a bit more structured, and the home basically shows you like suggested files and some recent files and so forth. It gives you your folders and the files shown in one. But when you go to my drive, it's a bit more organized, right? So you can easily go ahead and right click anywhere here and click on a new folder, or you can simply go ahead and click the new as well and create new folder, and we can call this one test 2, right? Just go ahead and click new and the same will happen. As you can see, I created a new folder. So you can open this folder here, guys, and you can move things into this folder, right, and so forth. So let's say I want to go ahead and move this test2 folder into this test folder. I can do that. I can right click and I can go down here, and where you see organize, I can simply move it and I can choose where to move it, and I can move it right into test folder, move. And as you can see here, if I open this folder, it is there. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.